Hello everyone, now we are going to discuss about the significance of protein binding on distribution of drugs. Coming to protein binding, the phenomena of complex formation of drug with protein molecules is called as protein binding of drugs. And usually the protein binding process can be divided into two types based on the nature of the reaction. It can be either reversible or irreversible, and in majority of the cases the protein binding of drugs is a reversible process and it involves weak chemical bonds such as van der Waals bonds and hydrophobic bonds. Now in very rare cases the protein binding can be irreversible and it mainly involves strong bonds such as covalent bonds. So this is the brief introduction of what is protein binding and types. Coming to significance, protein binding has a significant effect on the various attributes of drug. So in the current session we will be discussing about the effect of protein binding on distribution of drugs. How protein binding is going to affect the distribution of drugs. Now we all know that only unbound drug or free drug is available for distribution. As we all know, the protein bound drug is both pharmacokinetically and pharmacodynamically inert. It does not exert any therapeutic effect, nor it will be available for any pharmacokinetic process. So usually the plasma protein binding, it restricts the entry of drug that have specific affinity for certain tissues. Protein binding, it restricts the entry of drugs that have a specific affinity for certain tissues, and this prevents the accumulation of large fraction of drug in such tissues, and therefore the subsequent toxic reactions can be prevented. By protein binding, as it restricts the entry of drugs into specific tissues which have great affinity for that particular drug, accumulation of large fraction of that drug in such tissues can be prevented, and hence subsequent toxic reactions are also prevented with the aid of protein binding. As a result, the plasma protein binding, it favors uniform distribution of drugs throughout the body by its buffer function, that is by maintaining the equilibrium between the bound drug and the free drug. Plasma protein binding usually favors the uniform distribution of drug throughout the body. And one more important aspect is the protein bound drug. In particular, it does not cross physiological barriers like blood-brain barrier, the placental barrier, and it also it even does not cross the glomerulus. So this is a schematic representation of the effect of protein binding on distribution. As we have discussed, protein binding, it restricts the entry of drugs into tissues and prevents the subsequent toxic effects. The second is protein binding of drugs favors uniform distribution of drug throughout the body, and it maintains the equilibrium between the bound drug and the unbound drug. And finally, protein binding also restricts the entry of drug across the barriers, physiological barriers like blood-brain barrier and the placental barrier. This is the overall effect of protein binding on distribution. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for further videos on biopharmaceutics.